lot of people become comfortable. They stop growing. They stop wanting anything. They become satisfied. People getting ready to go to jobs that they don't like, jobs that are making them sick. You see, when you're not pursuing your goal, you are literally committing spiritual suicide. When you have some goal out here that you're stretching for and reaching for that takes you out of your comfort zone, you'll find out some talents and abilities you have that you didn't know you have. When the messenger of misery visits you, what are you going to do? What will keep you in the game?
Hey guys, how's it going? So I'm out here parked on the place where the event is going to be at. So today is going to be my very first half a marathon, 13.1 miles. So yeah, I don't know what to expect, but I'm definitely going to finish. I'm going to do my best to finish. I've been putting in the work for 3 weeks, and yeah, I had not really a heavy breakfast, but something to fill me up, you know, the typical bread with peanut butter and banana type breakfast. I don't know if that's enough. I have no experience with distance running, so hopefully it's gonna be good enough for the entire race. But I've been hydrating for 2 days straight. I've been drinking pretty much 14 to 16 glasses of water to make sure I'm well hydrated before the race, so that I don't cramp up or, you know, get injured. So yeah guys, I'm gonna see you after the race, and I'll tell you guys my experience afterwards. So wish me luck and stay tuned. By the way, I forgot to tell you guys, I already got my number, fitness assessment 55. So I'm gonna turn over this camera to my sister, and she's gonna vlog for you guys for a little bit, you know, keep you guys company. So all right, see you guys after the race.
Ready, set. We could do like
So a little update on the half a marathon. They just started, and my brother entrusted me with the vlogging camera for, let's say, about 2 hours. That seems pretty decent. And yeah, I'll update you guys in an hour or so about what's gonna happen. See ya.
1 hour later.
Hi guys, here's the 1 hour update. It is currently 9:33, and someone finished, but it's the one who has a vehicle, like a transport vehicle, so they can finish faster. I guess that counts. So I'm gonna head out, my mom, we're gonna head out to the finish line and wait for my brother to finish so we can, you know, get that finishing clip, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, see you guys at the finish line. See you guys, 2 people finished in 1.5 hours. Number 26 and 32. You can't see it, but they're like under the tent. Probably they're tired. But being first place doesn't matter, right? So
Sleepy. I'm still sleepy.
You're still sleepy?
Yeah.
Why?
I woke up early.
It's worth it. So
Yeah. It's worth it.
Do you think Kenna will finish in 2 hours?
I'm sure, yeah. He will.
How many percent?
100%.
100%?
Yeah.
You're so Well, the both of us know that Ken will finish. Will really finish. So we'll just see him.
Maybe in 30 minutes he'll be here.
Yeah, maybe.
Finish line.
We just hope. Good luck. Woo! See ya. Oh!
Finish strong, you got it.
Yay! Woo!
Yep. So he made it. So he cheated.
You made it.
Yeah.
Good time. You did it. You should be so exhausted. It goes to show dedicate.
Tired.
Woo. You did well. How are you feeling?
Tired.
Tired?
Train more.
Yeah,
It's worth it though.
it is.
Definitely a lot of experience.
All that hard work
Yep.
that you did, it paid off.
3 weeks.
3 weeks of training.
Crazy.
Sis is proud of you.
Thanks. So we are here now at Fridays, and I'm about to eat this pasta. I'm so tired from the run.
Yep.
I think everybody got tired because they got all pasta as well. They definitely run with me, so
It was definitely an achievement.
yeah.
An achievement for my bro. Achievement unlocked.
So yeah, guys, I'm about to eat. So tired. All right, bye. Yeah, guys. So this is pretty much the vlog. Back here at home, resting my legs, icing it up. Yeah, they're so sore from the run. I think it's they're about to explode pretty much. But I'm giving myself maybe 3 to 4 days to recoup, to give my legs some rest, and hopefully you guys like the experience. You know, 13.1 miles is not a joke. 7 months from now, I'll be running the 26.2. So I don't know how am I gonna feel after that, but it's definitely a rewarding experience, to say the least. And I hope that this vlog inspired you guys to achieve what you want to do. You know, as long as you put in the work to it, you definitely are gonna succeed. You know, but yeah, it was crazy. So I'm so hungry. I think I burned about 4,200 calories today, and yeah, I probably ate like 4 or 5 times, and I'm still hungry. So yeah, I gotta head back and, you know, maybe get some ice cream or something. But yeah, guys, hopefully you like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you can. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on my next vlog. All right, bye. There's nothing like eating ice cream after the run.